Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Circuitry Simplified by Dr. Shobhanikam. In this video, I'll talk about how to convert JK flip-flop into D flip-flop. But before that, subscribe to my channel, like and share the videos. So here, what we have is JK flip-flop and we want our JK flip-flop to work as a D flip-flop. So this video is all about conversion of JK flip-flop into D flip-flop. So at the end our flip-flop must work as a D flip-flop. So for that we must know how D flip-flop works and we'll write working of D flip-flop in terms of its truth table. So I'll write truth table for D flip-flop. So it has D input. Qn is present state output and Qn plus 1 is next state output. So D can be 0, 0, 1, 1. Qn can be 0, 1, 0, 1. So here Qn plus 1, that is next state output, is D flip-flop stands for data flip-flop or delay flip-flop. So here it has nothing to do with the present state output. Next state output simply follows data input. So data input is 0, so next state output is 0. Data input is 0, next state output is 0. Data input is 1, output is 1, 1, 1. We are converting JK flip-flop into D flip-flop. So we must know excitation table of JK flip-flop. Truth table is when we know what my input is and I predict next state output. Whereas excitation table is when I know my present output, when I know expected next state output, and I am predicting what inputs I should apply. So here we are converting JK flip-flop. So I'll write excitation table for JK flip-flop. So excitation table is when we know present state output Qn, next state output Qn plus 1 and expected inputs to get these outputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. J is 0, 1, don't care, and K is exactly opposite to J, that is don't care, 1, 0. So here I'll write excitation table of JK flip-flop J, K. What I have is present state output, next state output, and based on these outputs I'll predict values of J and K. So for 0, 0, J is 0, K is don't care, 0, don't care. For 1, 0, don't care, 1, so it's don't care, 1. For 0, 1, 1, don't care. For 1, 1, don't care, 0. So now I have truth table of D flip-flop, excitation table of JK flip-flop. I'll draw, what I have is JK flip-flop, so I'll simply draw symbol of JK flip-flop. I'll draw it here. In JK flip-flop, it has input J, input K, input clock, outputs are Q and Q bar, and then there are preset and clear inputs. But what we are doing, we are converting J and K into D, so I'll not consider preset and clear. I'll simply consider J, K, clock, Q and Q bar. So here I'm converting J input and K input, so I'll write K map for input J and for input K. So I'll draw K map here in terms of D and Qn. Qn plus 1 is expected output, so that will not consider. We will only consider present input and present output. So number of inputs are 2. So number of cells in K map are 2 raised to 2, that is 4. So here I'll draw K map for 4 cells. This is for J and another is for K. Again it will have 4 cells. And my inputs are D and Qn. Here also D and Qn. And their values can be 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So I'll put values for J. For 0, 0, J is 0. So 0, 0, J 0. For 0, 1, J is don't care. For 1, 0, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. D is 1, Qn is 1. It is don't care. Similarly for K, don't care 1, don't care 0, don't care 1, don't care 0. Now next part is grouping of ones. So here I can either group this one with this don't care or with the upper cell. But in upper cell what we have is 0. So I will group this one with this don't care. So here equation will become for this pair J is equals to D. Value of D is 1 here. So J is equals to D. For K, I'll either group this one in the lower cell or with the adjacent cell. So in lower cell what we have is 0. So I'll group this one with this don't care. Vertically nothing is common. Here Qn is 0, here Qn is 1. Here what we have is value of D is 0. So if value of variable is 1, we take that variable as it is. But if value of variable is 0, then what we write is bar of that variable. So here we got two equations. For J it is D and for K it is D bar. So what we have here J and K. J is equals to what? D. So I'll simply connect J to D. But what about K? K is D bar. So to get D bar, I'll simply put inverter here and then output of inverter will go to K. So here in this way I can convert my JK flip-flop into D flip-flop by connecting J input to D and K input to inverted output of D by putting inverter here. Thank you so much for watching.